subtract a pinch. Measuring is such a cinch. Stir it up, count it out. Math in the kitchen, there's no doubt. Fractions, numbers, tasty treats. Cooking math is oh so sweet. Half a cup or maybe two. Multiply to make it true. Divide the dough to make it fair. Sharing cookies everywhere. Stir it up, count it out. Math in the kitchen, there's no doubt. Fractions, numbers, tasty treats. Cooking math is oh so sweet. Weigh the flour, time the bake. Math's in every step we take. Shapes of pies and angles too. Geometry's a part of the stew. Stir it up, count it out. Math in the kitchen, there's no doubt. Fractions, numbers, tasty treats. Cooking math is oh so sweet. Cooking math is so much fun. Learning happens with everyone. They create and sing along. Cooking math, it's where we belong. Oh, math in the kitchen, there's no doubt. There's no doubt. Fractions, numbers, tasty treats. Cooking math is oh so sweet. Cooking math is so much fun. Learning happens with everyone. They create and sing along. Cooking math, it's where we belong.